Today we're going to be looking at how to divide using long division. To show this, we're going to divide 246 by 4. To get started, the first thing we need to figure out is which of these two numbers is our dividend, or which of these numbers is the one that's being divided. Well, in this case, 246 just happens to be our number that's being divided, so we're going to write 246 and then we're going to put our division bar on top. Now that just leaves our divisor, or the number that's doing the dividing, which in this case just happens to be 4, so we're going to write our divisor to the left and on the outside of our division bar. Now that we've set up this division problem, we can start working through the division steps, which we'll see highlighted in yellow up above from left to right. So we can see that our first step is to divide, and we can't divide a group of 4 up out of 2, so we're going to move from left to right, and now we're going to think, how many equal groups of 4 can we make out of 24? Well, we know that we can make 6 whole groups of 4 out of 24. So now we're going to move on to our next division step, which is to multiply. And we're going to multiply 6 times 4, which we know gives us 24. So we're going to write 24 down below. And then we're going to subtract for our next division step. And when we subtract 24 from 24, we're left with 0. Moving on to our next division step, which is to bring down the digit that's immediately to the right of the place that we just divided, giving us 6. And now we're going to repeat the division process, except this time we're thinking, how many groups of 4 can we make out of 6? Well, we know that we can make 1 equal group of 4 out of 6, so we're going to write our 1 up top, and then we're going to move to the next division step, which is to multiply 1 times 4, which gives us 4. So then we're going to subtract 4 from 6, which is going to leave us with 2. So now we've run into a bit of a problem because we still have a remainder when we can't leave a remainder, but we also don't have any numbers to bring down. So we're going to have to go into the decimal places here. So anytime that you have a whole number, there is a decimal written to the right of that whole number. We typically don't put it there though. And then to the right of that decimal, there's repeating zeros. So we're going to go into our decimal place. So since we have a decimal now in our dividend, we need to make sure that we put a decimal in the exact same place up top in our quotient, or where our answer is eventually going to go. So now we have a number that we can bring down. So we're going to drop down our 0. And then now we have 20 when we repeat the division steps. So we're thinking, how many equal groups of 4 can we make out of 20? Well, we know that we can make 5 equal groups of 4 out of 20. So we've written our 5, and then we're going to move on to the next division step and multiply 5 times 4, which we know gives us 20. So then we're going to subtract 20 from 20, leaving us with 0. So we're done with this division problem now. So when we divide 246 by 4, we get the quotient of 61 and 5/10. So hopefully by now you understand how to divide using long division. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.